Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your blade on your Dewalt Dropsaw. They're all done the same way, no matter if you've got the sliding ones, the battery ones, they're all the same method. First thing you're going to do when you work with any tool, make sure your batteries are out, it's not plugged in, that your saw or your tool isn't going to randomly jump on and cut you. You should have this little tool here which has a star bit on the back. This comes with your Dropsaw. If you don't have it, you can just get yourself an impactor with a star bit as well to do this first bit. And what we're going to be doing is firstly unscrewing this star bit right here. You take your little bolt out. Then what we can do is pull back the guard, and we've got another one of these screws here. So we can use the same tool to take this screw out as well. Now with both of these screws out, we can just grab the guard, roll it forward around the saw, and take the guard completely off. This gives us a free area to work into for actual saw blade now, where we can actually loosen and tighten our blade with an Allen key to get it out. So on the far side of the saw, we've got a little button here, and what we do, we hold that button down, and that's going to lock our saw blade in place, so it's not going to move past those points. And then with our other side of the tool, we do just have an Allen key on there. So we can insert that right in the middle of our saw blade here, and loosen our saw blade. So we're going to take the screw completely out, take this plate off as well, keep those together, and now our saw blade is free just to come and slide out. Once that's out, you can very easily go get your next saw blade, the saw blade you're replacing or changing over. Carefully slide it in here, make sure it gets in between everything and you're not hitting anything in your way. It will sit right on place on that little groove around there, and just repeat the process. Tighten this screw back on. I'm pushing that button in at the back of the saw again. It's locking our saw blade in place so I can tighten this properly. And you want to tighten this as tight as you can physically pull it. There you go, you got your saw blade in, ready to go now. Now we're going to reinstall this. So we're just going to slide it straight on over. We're going to line our screw holes up here. As you can see, this plate here follows the same groove on our actual saw, so you know you got it the right way around. Pick out our screw, we can just start finger tightening it, put it in place as to hold everything together. Starts getting going, we can switch it over with our tool and use our tool to tighten it. Don't tighten it completely off so that we can still have movement in this plate here, because what we're going to do is line this screw up with this hole here as well, and screw this one off, and then we'll tighten them together once we've got these both in and know that both our screws are in the right place. Alright, so I'm just going to tighten this one off as hard as I can pull it, and now we can go back to this original one and tighten that off as hard as we can. There you have it. There is the saw blade change on a Dewalt Dropsaw. If you start using it and your saw is shaking, it is a little bit loose, open it up again, make sure you got everything sitting in the right places and that your screws are tight inside here.